everyone, this is a fun and easy say and count syllables activity and is great for boosting early literacy skills. It's pretty easy to put together. I just printed off some images I found online. I usually laminate things to make them last longer, but I didn't in this case. And then to make it fun and interesting, I put the pictures in a muffin tin. So to play, my son names the picture out loud and counts the number of syllables in the word. Then he needs to pick and drop the same number of pebbles into the muffin tin. We use little pebbles for this activity, but you can use buttons, little erasers, anything small really. Picking up the pebbles is a great way to practice their fine motor skills as well. So this is a great activity.
2, 3. Na. 1, 2, 3. Die. Na. 2. Pewter. 1, 2, 3. Butterfly. 1, 2, 3. Tiger. 1, 2. Bicycle. Helicopter. 1, 2, 3, 4. Caterpillar. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hammer. Caterpillar. Helicopter. Hammer. Mittens.